Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a makeover for my grandma. She's in my room, she's talking right now. Anyways, we're going to be meeting her in a bit, and yeah, so let's see how that goes. I hope it's not fail.
One eternity later.
So mom, say hi to the camera.
The hell, I bet don't snap me there where it's too bad.
Anyways, she's all jokes all the time, and we're about to get her hair going. So see you in a bit. Yeah, it's just a general list of things you're going to need, and these are the various brands I'm going to be using.
It's not about it, I'm happy. Just show me. You can borrow me the bag.
I had to get my grandma distracted because she has a tender head. But anyways, I'm going to go in with some water and castor oil, and then I'm going to use a comb to just gently comb through sections of her hair so that it doesn't pin her or disturb her. I already started getting the braid down, so I'm just going to continue in that light. I'm going to just braid her hair so that I can get like a solid base and the wig is going to lay flat. So I tried to use the trendy YouTube thingy that people use on their hair, but it wasn't working for me. So I went to the kitchen and then I got some click foil, and then I just used that. I wrapped that around her hair so that the glue doesn't stick to her hair. And then I'm going to go in, and then I'm going to go in with the wig cap, and I'm going to double it. I did realize that I had two different colors of hair, so all I had to do was just mix them. So I'll basically do one line first, and I'll basically do like the red line, the black line, then the red line, so that the colors have like a total blend at the end. Anyways, I'm just going to say that because this is not really like a tutorial, I'm just going to say that gluing hair down is really more difficult than people make it out to be. So kudos to all the YouTube people who do excellent quick waves. Anywho's, I'm just going to let you guys see the whole thing, and then I'm going to come back later. So I figured out that adding lace at the top corner of the thing is going to make the hair look a little bit more natural. So I just decided to go in with the lace and then take some glue and just glue it down. I'm going to use my hair dryer and blow dry it in place. And then I'm just going to continue with gluing down the tracks.
How many? Sorry, one packet.
That me under is dinner who plated you. Because it's long now.
Sinira Miona. Answer. Who plated the Miona?
Pause. If you're actually wondering what my grandmother means by miondo hair, it's actually 4 locks. This style was done by Zoe Fashion Beauty on Insta, so go check her out and book her. So I'm just going to finish up the top, and then I'm just going to finish up the top, and then I'm going to cut out the excess cling wrap that is showing at the front of her hair. I'm going to spray her hair some more, and then I'm just going to fluff out her hair so that it's like really big and not just flat.
Thank you so much. Can I get up now?
The next day.
So here's the next day, and my grandma is going to get her face beat by me. I just put her hair back, I tied it in a headscarf, and then I'm just going to go in and put some makeup on her. I'm going to list everything I did down. I'm going to list all the products I used down below, so you guys just sit back and enjoy my grandma's transformation. And also, I'm just going to comment here, I like how she's so like she's just feeling the whole makeup thing. She's just adjusting her face and everything. It was so much fun to work with her.
My smile, you're looking cute. Who has the baddest grandmother?
I don't know her name.
I absolutely love my grandmother very much, and being able to do this video with her and knowing that it's going to live forever, it's probably the best part. So I hope you guys enjoy this memory I created with her. That's it for this video, guys. My grandmother is feeling herself and I'm feeling her, and I'm just so happy. She looks so good. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.